Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy F34. Okay, for that we will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with a button. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Just press these both buttons for the same time and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just together for short and you're having a screenshot. If you tap on the editing symbol here, then you're also able to draw something inside or to highlight something here, or here at the corners. What is very nice, you can also crop a part of the screenshot. What is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or someone's WhatsApp status and so on. Pretty nice. And after, you can share this edited part directly over the arrow. You will send it to your gallery. And there's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need the edge of your palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Then we have screenshots after, of course, you're at the gallery, and the pictures they are mixed up here with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to go always to the albums, because here you will find a folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.